Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing another unboxing video. This video, we're gonna do the new Hoka in collaboration with Nicole McLaughlin, Boulder-based artist if you're not familiar with her. Boom. So what we have here is the Mafate Speed 3-2 in collaboration with Nicole McLaughlin. Really cool shoe, definitely made for the trail with this kind of built-in gator, really fun, high-vis, safety yellow color with red detailing accents. The gator has pockets that, multiple. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little pockets that you can play around with. If you see some of the social media postings, people have snacks in there. If you're a trail runner, you could put goos, you could put your keys, you could put your credit card. I know out there's hiking vests, hiking belts, all these things, but I don't know if you remember childhood, you can throw money in your socks. Now you can do it in an official way. The gator is removable, so you can go ahead and unclasp these out here. 4 little points that you hook them into. Honestly, like really easy, Velcro securing it in there. This is the shoe itself, Sin Gator, and this is the Mafate silhouette from Hoka. Really nice, comfortable, aggressive Vibram soles, rubber lugs here for durability, and then just really nice, comfortable, thick foam. I believe this is a 10mm drop. And so, if you want a little bit of lift, you'll have that provided here. And this is what the gator looks like by itself. And the other really cool thing is, besides being one piece, if you wanted to go a little bit modular, there's a bunch of different ways you can outfit this shoe. So even though you can wear it with gator, or you can do it with the half gator. So with the gator in half, you do have little accessories to create that modular look. This one, if you want to go with that front kind of not toe cap, but forefront guard, go ahead and match up this little bit with the front. Boom, boom, match it up. And then this gives you those hooks so that you hook it into the side, almost like a front guard for your shoes and your laces so that you don't get tripped up on anything. Put that in there. So that is one way that you can rock the shoe. This is gonna go ahead and protect the laces and make sure nothing gets in. And if you're worried about stuff getting into the side ankles, that's when you will go ahead and use that high guard. And another little fun feature, if you're hiking in the evening, we do have reflective strips. So not only are these shoes very vibrant with that safety yellow, but you do have like the reflective details involved into there. Right now, the shoe is equipped with the quick lace. Let me go ahead and remove this to show you guys. Right now, the quick lace system is in there. When you are ready to change it in the future, you will have to break these laces, and they do come with your standard tie-up laces. Another way you can wear it, this is with the front guard. And if you want to wear it with more of that ankle guard look, go ahead, put these down. So go ahead and take this strap off. You can switch over to the other piece. This one is going to kind of go over the shoe, or like the ankle part. Strap it in the back, Velcro support. Honestly, start with this part. Start with that, add the Velcro in for that support. Go ahead and strap it in. And you kind of have a ankle support / guard where if you're worried about pebbles falling in, this is going to cover that up and kind of just give you a little extra security. And another way you can remove this, in case just really quick accessibility, you can just go ahead and pull off the Velcro, unstrap in the back, boom. Honestly, there's so many different ways that this shoe can be formed. And then again, whatever you do with the pockets, that's up to you. There's one piece. So this here, honestly, most people, we will throw away the instructions, but in this case, really important. Here are all the possible configurations if you're not really sure how to style it. But this here, I would say keep on body. You can kind of tuck it in for safeguard. And if you're, like, hey, how do I wear this? That's the level of the pockets. You can hold that there. You can hold this down here. Don't throw away the instructions this one time. I know we all have that bad tendency, but this one is actually important until you get the hang of it. Tuck that away. We're really excited with this. This is Nicole's second run with Hoka. Previously, I believe it was last fall, we had the black colorway. This new one, I really enjoy it, just like that lightweight mesh, the white and silver color with that fluorescent yellow. Super vibrant on the trail, major eye catcher. And we're excited to see what you guys think about this shoe. Think about it not just as a functional piece and all the modular functional pieces, but just like a work of art that she's been working on for a little while and just making shoes fun again.